toast.
Mm.
So you have to pick up your glass.
Okay.
So
Tell me
I'll make the
something
toast
beautiful, baby.
that you're the most wonderful, beautiful,
I don't listen you.
most wonderful,
Oh.
beautiful,
Ah.
classy
Mm.
woman I've ever known.
Oh.
See, you do wonders to me. I mean, you make
What
you,
I
you,
do for
you,
you?
You make me shake all over.
Okay.
Even lost my bottom.
Tintin.
Very good.
What do you think? This food?
Oh, I love the okra.
Only okra? So you like? Bacalhau, no?
Okra 2 times in 1 week.
Ah.
You make me feel more like a king.
Mm.
And you want to hear?
What?
Oh, my pretty! Oh, I didn't do
No,
that
you
too well.
did it wrong now. You need to do better that. Okay.
I have to toast first.
Listen this.
I'm gonna get you, my pretty. Lord. Now, why don't you stop it so we can look at it now?
No, baby. I'm enjoying here, you know? Last year, you remember last year?
I think Senora Loco was here.
Saint and Miriam.
Saint and
with
Miriam.
us.
I remember. We had salmon.
We had salmon.
Mhm.
Yeah.
And that's when the Senshi was acting like all jealous with Miriam. He was going, you know, like this ridiculous. He's a good actor, you know.
You know how many years have I did this last time?
Last time you made this,
Mm-hmm.
you mean?
Yeah, you know? How long?
Let me take a guess. 9?
Probably.
I was close, huh?
Mm-hmm. Maybe 10 years. Long time ago.
You
So,
did a wonderful job.
still good, no?
But the difference this time
Mm.
is you had me to help you.
Oh, yeah.
I cut the onions, so I got to do the crying.
Oh, we finished almost together.
Now, a little bit more of this cranberry champagne. Toast to you, my dear. Now, would you show me?
Thanksgiving God. Thanks God for everything.
Thank you, Lord, for everything, yes. And especially, thank God for you. Minha linda gata.
Ah.
Meu amor.
What more?
Não, minha linda gata e meu amor.
Muito bem.
Te amo com todo o meu coração.
Ai, que lindo! Eu também te amo de todo o meu coração, viu?
Now I want to see them.
Happy Thanksgiving for you.
Happy Thanksgiving to you. God bless you.
God bless you too, baby. I love you. Nothing more?
I'm going to see
You don't want more movie?
I want to see them.
Are you shy?
I want to take a movie.
Yeah, go. Stop.
Please, let me take a movie. Please.
Eu não aguento esse homem desse jeito.
My pretty, I want to see a movie.